So those of you who watch this channel regularly, you'll know I like my leather jackets. I have a biker's jacket which I've had for 20 years, and it's still like brand new. And I've also got one of my favourite jackets is an Armani jacket, Armani leather jacket, and again it's kind of like a biker's jacket. It's made of real soft, nice leather. It's beautiful. Cost me a fortune. And I know you're thinking, Baz, what's that got to do with cars? But I'm getting to the point. So a couple of weeks ago, I'd got my jacket. It was a bit chilly, and I'd taken it off and I put it on the back seat. Now, when Lance valets a car, he usually puts an air freshener in it, and it's usually something like this. But this I've taken off the rear view mirror. But Lance's have like a little plastic wrap on, and they hang over the handles here. Anyhow, I put my jacket in the back, shut the door. Unbeknown to me, the air freshener dropped off, and it dropped inside my Armani jacket onto the lining, right into the middle of the lining. And then I left it in the car over the weekend, and I come to wear it on the Monday. The air freshener dropped out, and the jacket stinks. Honestly, it's awful. I can't wear it. It's a write-off. I don't know what to do with it. Anyway, since then, I've come across a product on the internet which I like. I've bought a couple. I've used them, and I can thoroughly recommend them, because those air fresheners stink, and I've worn the same aftershave for the last 40 odd years. Anyway, this product, it's called, I suppose it's a car perfume bottle, and if I could just get into it, here we go. So it's an air freshener for your car, but you fill it up with your own aftershave or perfume. Looks like that. Fill it up, put the top on, which is cork, and I've got one in my car now, and that's it. It's I think it's a really, really good idea. I mean, in the old days, I used to get one of those few orange things, but not pop the orange, not put the pin through it, and I used to spray it with aftershave to make my car smell of my aftershave. But that's it. Just I'll put a link to them in the description. They're only cheap, and but as I say, you can either have a nice smell of your own perfume or one of these horrible, sickly air fresheners that you get at petrol stations. You're welcome.